Hi everyone, my name is Reza Salehi and welcome to my course Implementing NoSQL Databases in Microsoft Azure. I am a cloud consultant and trainer. Did you know Microsoft services such as Office, Skype and Xbox use Azure Cosmos DB under the hood? In this course, we are going to learn about Azure Cosmos DB as well as other managed NoSQL offerings in Microsoft Azure. Some of the major topics that we will cover include Azure Table Storage, Azure Cosmos DB Premium features, Azure Cosmos DB multi-model APIs, and finally, Azure Data Lake Storage Generation 2. By the end of this course, you'll know these services well enough to start running new and migrated NoSQL workloads in Microsoft Azure. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the Azure portal and have a high-level understanding of the NoSQL data model. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn these NoSQL offerings in Microsoft Azure with the Implementing NoSQL Databases in Microsoft Azure course at Pluralsight.